At CP Communications, we developed the CamSTREAM to meet the increased need for quick, reliable REMI productions. Today, we'll be taking a look at just how easy the CP Communications CamSTREAM is to unbox, assemble, and put on the air with a wired internet connection. When your CamSTREAM arrives, it is housed in our custom shipping case. This case is specially designed to protect the CamSTREAM and its accessories from damage in shipment. Let's begin by laying the case flat on the floor and opening the latches. To open the latch, press the button in the middle of it and lift upwards. After all 5 latches have been released, lift the lid on the case. Step 1 is to remove the tripod from the case. Spread the legs, extend the center section, insert the safety pin, and place in the location where you want the CamSTREAM. Next, open the accessory case and lay out all accessories. In the case, you'll find the power supply, its electrical cable and power extender cable, the Ifb adapter and Ifb, and a lavalier microphone. Underneath the accessory case, you'll find a 50-foot network cable and a combination Ifb microphone cable. Lay those items out as well. Now, remove the CamSTREAM from the case and place the unit on the tripod by sliding the tripod into the hole on the bottom of the unit. All the heavy lifting is done at this point. Uncoil the Ifb microphone cable, plug the male microphone connector, blue, into the microphone input 1, blue, on the CamSTREAM. Then plug the female Ifb connector, red, into the jack labeled Ifb, red, on the CamSTREAM. Carefully lay out the Ifb microphone cable from the CamSTREAM to the area you are going to be broadcasting from. Then plug the lavalier microphone into the blue connector and the Ifb adapter box into the red connector. Lastly, plug in the Ifb earpiece to the Ifb adapter. Note, any Talent earpiece can be used in place of the provided earpiece as long as it has a 1/8 inch plug. Uncoil the provided network cable. Plug one end of it in to the green RJ45 jack on the rear end of the CamSTREAM. Plug the other end of the network cable into your internet switch or router. Another note, there is an additional RJ45 jack on the side of the CamSTREAM. This port is not used. Now, let's apply power. Plug the provided power extension cable to the power input connector on the rear of the unit and connect that cable to the cable that comes out of the power supply. All of these connections are color-coded yellow for your convenience. Plug the AC cable into the base of the power supply, then plug the AC connector into any common 110-volt household receptacle. Point the CamSTREAM in the general direction of the area that you'll be sitting or standing. Then, press the power button located here. The power button is located on the bottom of the CamSTREAM. In about 2 minutes, your control room will have control of the unit and will be able to fine-tune the camera position and settings, audio levels, and will be sending you Ifb. After your live hit or streaming session is complete, simply hold in on the power button for 4 seconds and the unit will power down. While we have concentrated on a wired internet connection in this video, the CamSTREAM also has the capability, when wired internet is not available or unreliable, to derive its internet from up to 8 bonded cellular data cards. With one phone call, this feature can be activated. If you have any additional questions about the CamSTREAM or any of our other bonded cellular products, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-762-4254. Thank you.